purpose of the East Building addition, first and foremost, was to provide additional teaching spaces for the rising enrollment. However, through the design process, we were able to determine that we could actually make the building serve as a tool for the educational process. One of the unique things about the first and second floor when we designed this building is we really wanted to make the classrooms transparent. So there's windows on the outside to let in the daylight, but there's also windows on the hallway. And what that does is it allows teachers sight lines to the corridor where we've developed a series of breakout spaces. So for example, a world language teacher, perhaps Spanish, might be able to send students out into the hall to record a conversation between a group of 2, 3, 4 students. They would still be able to see what's going on, but there wouldn't be 4 or 5 or 6 groups talking over each other, all trying to record at the same time. Another unique feature of the East Building addition is the living wall. These in essence are just giant furnace filters, and what they do is take all of the carbon dioxide out of the air, create oxygen, which then allows us to use a smaller air handling unit to recirculate that room temperature air and not have to use an expensive cooling tower to create the appropriate temperature. As we were going through the design process on the third floor, which is where our science rooms are, we really wanted to create an opening from the third floor to the second floor so that our science teachers can conduct various drop experiments as part of their curriculum. So finally, the last component of the East Building addition that is really unique is we have a full grow roof garden on top of the third floor. The garden consists of a farm area where we are going to grow produce so we can have roof-to-table service. The other area is what I like to call the source of inspiration, and this is an area that has plants native to Lake County where our fine arts students can go out and take pictures. They can draw some of the plants in real-life settings, or our science teachers can take their students out there to look at the various plants and how they develop over the course of time.